Hello fans of YouTube and everything Call of Duty. As you can see, we're getting right into the action here. I got into this match a teeny bit late, but it didn't really matter in the end. And yeah, in this one I'm using the Galil with silencer, lightweight, sleight of hand, and marathon. I walked away from him. It might have seemed like I didn't know he was there. I did, I promise. I just walked away from him initially. I walked away from him initially just to see what he was going to do. You know, the thing I like about free-for-all is you can play your own game. And team deathmatch is overall my favorite. It's just that in free-for-all you don't have to depend on anybody. You don't have to play a team kind of game. You can just, if you want to just go ahead and dominate by your own play style, then you can do that. If you want to kick back and play defensively, you can do that. If you want to rush, then you can do that. You know, that's what I like about free-for-all. Nothing, it's tailored to you. You can win based on how you play. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you I was not quick to the trigger in this game. This game was like really early in the morning. It might have been around 4 or 5. I just could not sleep, so I just decided to play some Black Ops. Right here, I feel really ashamed that he actually shot at me about 3-4 times and then managed to turn around and kill me. And then I spawn and this guy kills me again. I'm not gonna lie, when I was playing it, it really made me angry. Like I said, it wasn't my best game of Black Ops ever. But I don't know, I just really liked this game. It seemed like I played balanced in this game, so I decided to post it. That is one complaint I have about free-for-all though, is the spawn systems aren't that great. It's not that good at all, actually. You can literally spawn right in front of somebody and not know it. That's one thing. That's the only thing. That's the only complaint I really have with free-for-all, is that maybe Treyarch can tweak the spawn system just a little bit. So let this one. It's funny how people act like facing a corner is gonna make the person not see you. If anything, I noticed the person sitting there in the corner more. I thought he was gonna come around the corner, but he didn't. I don't know what happened there. He still ended up getting there in the end, so it doesn't really matter. Excuse me. Yeah, that guy with the spaz, he was like really good. See right there how I spawned like right behind him. The spawn system just could use some tweaking. I prefer if they had it so that you spawned away from the action instead of right in the middle of it like you often do, especially on Nuketown. Right there, I saw my my radar that somebody was in that little passageway, but they didn't keep coming. They and yes, if you're asking, I did accidentally hit myself with my own napalm spray. I don't know how I didn't see him come up to the side of my screen like that. I just did not see him at all. Like I said, this is really early in the morning. This is a really sloppy game. I'm just missing people left and right today. I don't know what that was. See, like I flashed myself and everything. I don't. Wow, this is really ridiculous. Yeah, I kind of got tired of the slowness of the galil, so I switched to the FAMAS, and I ended up winning. So, ending score was 30-25. My ratio was 1-20. I had 2 headshots. It was an alright game, you know, not the best, but it was. I thought I enjoyed that game, and I thought it was good, and you know. But you know, tell me what you think in the comments. So this is Claude from Claude Willis Gaming signing off.